Birds of Jamnagar, Gujarat. This video is on a few water birds. There are also many wetland and grassland birds and famous for flamingo migration. Jamnagar has got an importance for its vast wetland, grassland, salt pans, lakes and seashores. Hence, Jamnagar is a paradise for bird watchers. Let's see a few water birds. Water birds Jamnagar: tufted duck, common pochard, knob-billed duck, spot-billed duck, black-headed gulls, great crested grebe. What else in this video? Let's wait and watch till the end. These are medium-sized ducks and also called diving ducks. These are huge in numbers, as close to 1 million birds. They are found in most of the continents. The adult female is brown and the eyes are yellowish. Male ducks have black head and breast, having thin crest on their head, and have white flanks on both sides of the body. These birds are medium-sized diving ducks. Male has dark rusty head, pale grey body and black breast. Females are grey-brown over all the body. These ducks are found in Europe, America, Africa, and they wintering in Egypt, India and southern China. Knob-billed ducks are also called as African comb duck. They usually found in Africa and Indian subcontinent, Laos and southern China and South America. The name of the bird is derived from the red spot at the tip of the bill and yellow at the tip of the beak. The Indian spot-billed duck is a large dabbling duck and is a non-migratory breeding duck. These are found in the Indian subcontinent. There are mainly three categories of gulls. 1 black-headed gull, 2 brown-headed gulls, 3 slender-billed gulls. These gulls are observed in flocks. Generally, they make more noise. They are usually grey or white in color. Great crested grebe is the largest member of the grebe family. They are large, elegant and long-necked. They have beautiful tiny cheeks and black hairy crest. These birds are found in UK, Central Asia and northern India. The Eurasian coot is also called the common coot or Australian coot. It has a slaty back body, glossy black head and has a white bill with a white frontal shield. This bird is found in Europe, Australia, Asia, New Zealand and parts of North Africa. ह्या पक्षाच्या कपाळावर पांढरा टिळा असल्यामुळे त्याला मराठीतून वारकरी असे म्हणतात. These birds were observed in large numbers in Lakota Lake City, Jamnagar. murmuration of rosy starlings at the sunset is an added attraction at this lake. Please like, comment and share this video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notifications.